Hi guys, this is our room here at the DoubleTree Times Square West, room 1018. We're starting the main area of the room. 2 double beds.
Yeah, quite small, but
comfy.
Comfy.
You got your aircon control over there on the wall. It comes out of there. LG TV. You'll see we've got all our stuff out. We've been here a couple of days already.
You got coffees.
You have your coffees, coffee machine. Nice, what's it?
Then I got a cup of tea.
Teas, milks, etc. there.
Yeah, got fridge.
Then you've got your safe is down there. Outlets, you've got USB, both sides of the bed, and 2 plug sockets. Got a couple of plug sockets down there, and a USB socket here just next to the work area. You got a bit of a hallway here when you come in, just not to put your shoes, bags, whatever. Then you have your bathroom, sink, mirror, shelves there for your towels to go on.
I've got wall mounted shampoo and conditioners. And then
And a shower up there.
No.
Quite a high pressure shower.
I'll leave you some soaps.
And the view from the room.
It's not the best.
We have got Port Authority bus station. There, the hotel's on 42nd Street. About a 5-minute walk from Times Square. Yeah, we've been here 3 nights so far. We've got our last night here tonight before we go down to Orlando. So thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you real soon.